In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in the Amazon app. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Changing the language on the Amazon app can be a pretty straightforward process, but if you're not sure where to begin, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Once you are, navigate to the main menu. In the Amazon app, you can typically find the menu in the upper corner of your screen. Although it might look a little different depending on whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the functionality remains the same. Just tap on that menu icon to begin. Now, once you're in the main menu, you'll notice that the default language is set to English. If you want to change this, you're in the right place. The navigation of the app is very user-friendly, so just pay attention to the following steps. At the top bar of the screen, right next to your account details, you should see a country flag icon. If English is your current language setting, that flag will display EN, indicating that English is selected. Take a moment to look for this flag. Once you find the flag, it's time to click on it. This feature allows you to change your preferred language setting, so a simple tap on the flag will unlock your options. If you're unsure about this step, just remember that icons like flags are there to help indicate the language easily. Now, after clicking the flag, your options for different languages should pop up, allowing you to scroll through and see what languages are available. This could vary depending on your region or language preferences. Browse through the list, and when you see the language you'd like to switch to, select it with a tap. Finally, after you've chosen your preferred language, make sure to confirm your settings. This is crucial. If you skip this step, the changes won't save, and you'll end up stuck with the old setting. Just look for a confirm button or an option to save changes. Once that's done, the app should refresh, and you'll be able to enjoy the Amazon experience in your chosen language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Amazon app. It's a simple process, but it can make your shopping experience so much more comfortable if you're navigating in a language you're more familiar with. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Changing settings like this one can enhance your overall experience with apps, so always keep exploring and customizing things to your liking. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Amazon.